Hello guys, this is Dragon Master and welcome to Ratchet Clank Free Multiplayer Mayhem. I know it's my next new little segment that I'm going to do. I just don't feel like playing Ratchet Clank. I mean, Jak and Daxter. God damn it. So yeah, today I'll be showing you the different strategies for each of the multiplayer missions. Although I'm not even sure if anyone does these anymore. Alright, so we're going to do these each on attrition mode, and I'll show you my great strategies on how to beat them without failing so much. So today we're going to start off on the red team, armed with only the Flux Rifle and the N60 Storm. They're really the only useful guns here. Alright. As soon as you get on the battlefield, immediately equip the Flux Rifle. Run over here and snipe these guys as soon as you can see one. Here we go. Where is our next target? Wait. Yes, it's best to take these guys out from a distance. Now, there'll be some missions that require at least two players to... Actually, no, they don't exactly need 2 players, but they're best done with 2 players. You'll see what I mean later. So, yeah, I'll notify you guys on that as soon as something like that comes up. Alright, so yeah, capture that. Don't bother taking that car, it's not required. But you should capture it anyways. What you really want to do is go up to the one I'm going to destroy, so you can get a hover ship. And you need to use the hover ship to capture most, if not all, of the nodes here. So yeah, mainly just use the N60 Storm. Ow. Until you get a hover ship. That's why I recommend that you should always carry this gun with you, and try not to fail, like me. All right. Grab some nanotech before we go. Forget about them, we're just going to go for these. And that's basically the main gist of it. You just fly around with a hover ship and just destroy everything. That's only the easy bit until we do the base. So, yeah. Yeah, so when it comes to the troopers down there, don't even bother with them. They're not a threat. To you, that is. Alright. I recommend it's really good to keep the hover ship pads around because you really need those. It makes the hover ship makes everything a lot easier. Alright. This bit, do not come too close with the hover ship. Just land it, pull out the N60 Storm, and just charge in and shoot everything. Ow. Go for this turret first. Now, make sure you're really good with your strafing skills before you attempt this. Because if you're not good with this, you're going to find yourself dying a lot. Yeah, that's coming from someone that has a little sister that dies a lot. Alright, so here, pull out the flux rifle again. And just target these. That's the reason why you don't want to get too close with the hover ship. And they require 8 hits to take. This mission will take a lot longer if you didn't equip the unlimited ammo bit. And I'm glad that they actually put that in this. Alright. Now that that's done, grab your hover ship again. Make sure it's still got a decent amount of health, and then start shooting. First, we're going to bomb the area. Especially take out the shock the shock droid generator. There we go. Takes a few seconds to get things to come out right. Best to also take out the troopers as well. Alright, here, just keep going in a circle and firing at the same time. So you want to switch between pressing X and square. There we go, already done. Oh god. Alright, also take out the turrets, and then quickly get in the base before the troopers respawn. And then just, there we go, that's it. You just shoot the hell out of the generator. Here we go, we win. Red team emerges victorious. Alright, and that's it. Hopefully I helped someone out. Thanks for watching, and see you next time. Feel free to subscribe, leave a favorite, and goodbye.